Greetings again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have another algebraic exponential equation that we're going to solve. In this equation we're given to find x where we have x to the x is equal to 16. Now as usual you can pause this video and see if you can do this one by yourself, or you can check out my Math Olympiad playlist to see how to solve other equations like these ones. Alright, so we start to solve this equation by taking the natural log of both sides of this equation. So we say ln x to the power of x is equal to ln 16. Then we can rewrite ln x to the power of x using this logarithm rule here, where we have ln x to the power of y is the same as saying y times ln x. And so from here we'll be writing our expression in this form where we have ln x to the power of y is the same as y ln x. So from here we take ln x to the power of x and then we say x times ln x, and this is equal to the natural log of 16. Now from here I would like to introduce my method for solving this equation, and this method is a special kind of function called the Lambert W function. Now this is a very special kind of function that is used to solve variables in the base and also in the powers. And how this function works is that where we have an expression such as we have a times e to the power of a, if we apply a w function to this expression, the result is a. And so from here we can simplify our equation so that it reflects a times e to the power of a. So we take x times ln x and we write it in this expression. So we start by having x, we write it in the form of e. Now to write any number, in this case we have x, in the form of e, we say that e to the power of the natural log of x. So this value that we see here represents x in the form of e. So all that we'll be doing is that we'll be changing the value of x in our expression using the value of e. So we change the first x in this case, so we say e to the power of ln x times ln x is equal to ln 16. And now let us see what we have here. We may not be able to see clearly unless I rewrite this in a more visual way. So I'm just going to rewrite ln x at the front. So we say ln x times e to the power of ln x, and as we know this is equal to ln 16. Now by doing this you should be able to see clearly that in the base we have ln x, and also in the power we also have ln x. So here we have a in the base and a in the power, and in between that we have our e. So therefore what this means, we can apply our w function to this expression, and we apply this function to both sides of this equation. So we say w of ln x times e to the power of ln x is equal to w of ln 16. And as we have established, we said that w of a times e to the power of a. So here we have a in the base and a in the power and e in between. So we know that our value of this expression is the value of a, which in this case is ln x. And so we say that ln x is therefore equals to w of ln 16. And now from here we move on to solving x by taking the inverse function of natural log. So we say that x is equal to e to the power of w of ln 16. So x is equal to e to the power of whatever value is w of ln 16. We can also express our solution for x by saying ln 16 over w of ln 16. And doing this we need to use our scientific tool. So we'll be using Wolfram Alpha, which is our scientific calculator. So ln 16 over w of ln 16 to 4 decimal places is approximately 2.7454. So then our value of x to 4 decimal places is approximately 2.7454. And we can verify our solution for x by putting this value into our original equation. So we can go ahead and do that. If you like this video so far, please remember to smash that like button and give me a thumbs up. And let's connect by subscribing to my channel. You may also check out my other math playlist to see how to solve equations like these ones. So we said that we have x to the power of x is equal to 16. And now that we have the value of x to be 2.7454, we can plug that in. So we say that in the base we have 2.7454 and in the power we have 2.7454. And now is this equal to 16? So we will check this response to our solution to be 16. Now plugging in our solution into our calculator, we test to see if our result is 16, and there we have it, our solution is verified. x is equal to 2.7454. Thanks again for staying tuned with me to the end of this video. I hope that this was very informative. Please remember to smash that like button, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more math videos like these ones. And until again, I'll see you again soon, and thanks again and take care.